Hi there, Anna here, Director of Client Services at LeadLove, helping you get the most out of your HubSpot subscription. Today we wanted to look at all of those fun beta features that HubSpot has and where to find them, how to enable them, and how to start using them. So to navigate to the beta HubSpot products, you will click on your little icon at the top right, and then click on the product updates. Here you will be able to see all the product updates. Some of them are live, some of them will be in beta, meaning that they are not accessible to everyone. You have to enroll in that beta. And you can see all the beta features by clicking beta early access here. You can scroll through, find the tool that you want to enroll into, and click join beta. And here you can enroll your entire account, or you can enroll just yourself to try it out, test it out, and potentially roll it out to the whole account. And they do have their HubSpot Beta Terms. Just because it's a beta tool, it's not fully 100% tested, approved, rolled out to everyone. So please read those beta terms to be familiar what can be the limitation, anything like that. Agree to that and join beta. Let me know if you have any questions.